Let's learn about soccer in just a minute and a half. Soccer is played on a big grass field called a pitch. In soccer, we use a round soccer ball. And 2 big goals. There are 11 players on one team. Everyone runs a lot together. The modern rules of soccer started in England in the 19th century. It spread really fast all over the world. Now, there are so many people playing soccer. About 250 million people around the world play it. The rules are simple, but there is one big one. You can kick the ball with your feet or use your head or body. But no hands.
Foul!
If you touch the ball with your hands, it's a foul. Only the goalkeeper in front of the net can use their hands. You have to kick the ball into the other team's goal. If the ball goes into the net, goal! The team gets 1 point. The team with the most goals wins the game. There are 2 halves, 45 minutes each. If it's a tie, they play extra time or take penalties.
Have you ever kicked a soccer ball? Thank you for watching. Big thumbs up. Hit subscribe.